Welcome to Everyday Linux User. This is a new feature where I answer viewers' questions. So the first question we're going to be answering is to do with Zorin. Can someone tell me how to configure the Start menu taskbar to never display thumb window previews, but always a vertical list of windows open instead? It says this is the most aggravating thing about Zorin, having to visual scan these horizontal thumbnails across the bottom of your screen until you reach some arbitrary number, which it switches to a much more familiar and comfortable vertical text list. Oh my god, I loathe these thumbnails so much. And if you Alt Tab or whatever, you get the same nonsense but in a grid pattern, which is utterly useless to me as a blind person, as I can't see images. White text on black backgrounds, yes. Images and white image previews, no. So this is an accessibility issue, but it's also obviously very frustrating for the user. So to highlight the problem, I've got Firefox open down here and I've got a number of tabs. If I hover over that, you can see the problem there. We've got YouTube, DistroWatch, Zorin homepage, a BBC website, NetWeather, a football website, got some Linux stuff, and there's multiple different windows across the screen. Now, from the user's point of view, this isn't what they want. They want a vertical list. So there's two things that we can do for the user here. One, you can get a list of all the applications running by right-clicking instead of left-clicking, and that will tell you what your open windows are. So right-clicking on that icon shows you the open windows, and you can see all the different options available there. So hopefully that solves the problem of getting a list the way you want it to. And if you really want to get rid of the annoying preview windows, what you can do is right click on the panel, go to taskbar settings, go to behavior, as show window previews on hover option. If you turn that off and close the window, now when I hover over the web browser nothing happens, but right click will show you the windows that you require.